Good morning. My name is Julio Cesar Jimenez. I am 39 years old, a business administration student, alive in the city of Bogota. According to the tax, I allow myself to indicate my initial experience when I was a student at the Antonio Nariño in the city of Cajicá, Cundinamarca. Several companies decided to wall to a well-known mountain in the town, where stories indicate that a golden and Hannah appeared at the source of stream at night. After having thought about the subjects, we decided to wall to the place. Several people have gone to boots non-confirmed, having seen the hen. We had to know if the story was real. We have started to feel very hot. We have taken the shortest way, arriving at the city after much walking. The firefighters we have waited, but did not have wait tot a fire. Fate has played a huge hard time. Uh, we return home tired and unable to verified if the story was real. Thanks.